I'm Timothy Wagner, and I'm the new Product Development Engineering Manager for Combi Packaging. I'm here to explain to you our opposite hand option that's available with the 2EZ-A series erectors. It can be installed or equipped on the 2EZ-A 20, 25, and 30. The opposite hand option allows for flow flexibility in our facilities in plants. So you can run either a right-hand case or a left-hand case on a right-hand flow machine, or a left-hand case or right-hand case on a right-hand flow machine. A case hand is determined by first identifying the major panel, which is typically the longer panel and typically has the seal. So if the major panel is on the left side of the case, it is a left-hand case. Our right-hand case is shown here, with the major panel on the right side and the seal on the right side of the case.